Hi children, today we going to discuss about the properties of a rational numbers. There are four properties. One is closure property, another is commutativity property, another is associative property, and distributive properties are there. Each cases we want to check it. Is it suppose in closure property case addition is satisfying or not, subtraction case, multiplication case, division case, we want to check it is it satisfying or not. Like this way, in today's class we going to discuss that matters. So once you listen here, what I going to say in here. First property name is closure property. Closure property. Closure property case, first we going to checking a addition case. Addition case, is it satisfying or not? Once we want to check it, closure property says that any two rational numbers adding time we get another rational number. Is it right or wrong? So first I consider a value was 2 by 5 and b value was 3 by 5. Two rational numbers I consider, and these two rational numbers adding, then we get a rational number or not. Check it. 2 by 5 is added with 3 by 5. So adding 10, 2 plus 3 comes to be 5. Denominator also same denominator only. That's why we add numerator part add and same denominator, right? Cancelling time 1 by 1. So we get a 1 by 1. 1 is a rational number. Why? Because it is represent as in form of a 1 by 1. Last class we learned rational numbers means we can express as in form of a p by q form. Yes, here 1 is a 1 represent numerator 1 represent as a p value and denominator 1 represent as a q value. That's why 1 by 1 is a rational number only. So closure property case addition is satisfying. Next we going to check about what about a subtraction case. Is it satisfying or not? Checking the same number take or another a value, you can take it as a 3 by 6 3 by 6 and a b value take it as a 4 by 6. 4 by 2 numbers I consider. I going to subtract this number, or minus 4 by 6 we can consider. How to subtract this one? Subtraction case, a value minus b value, that means 3 by 6. So minus, here b value is also a minus value, minus 4 by 6, minus change it to plus. That's why 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6, minus change it to plus. Then they are adding 10, denominator are same. That's why numerator part adding time 7 by 6. So we can conclude that closure property is satisfying under a subtraction case also. Then next we going to checking what about a multiplication case. Is it satisfying or not? Multiplication case. Example, a value consider it as a 2 by 7, b value consider it as a 4 by 7. Any two numbers we can consider. Then checking these two numbers are multiplying time, we get another rational number or not, we check it. So 2 by 7 is multiplied with 4 by 7. Here multiplying time 2 4s are cancellation not possible. That's why numerator into numerator, 2 4s are 8, 7 into 7 comes to be 49. 8 by 49 is also another rational number. That's why closure property is satisfied under multiplication case. Next we going to checking a division case. Division case also we want to check it. Is it satisfying or not? A value consider it as a 2 by 7 and a b value consider it as a 4 by 7. or another number you can consider it as a 5 by a 7. So I go dividing the division case. You know that division case reciprocal take and multiply the 2 by 7 divided by a value is 2 by 7, b value is 5 by 7. Multiplication division means directly not possible. What we want to do, second rational numbers reciprocal take and multiply. So 2 by 7 into division symbol change it to multiplication symbol. 5 by 7 reciprocal comes to be 7 by 5. Here 7 and 7 cancelling, same number cancellation, we get 1. Then again cancellation not possible, so multiply 2 into 1 become 2 by 1 into 5 become 5. So we get another rational number. That's why it's satisfying a division case. But one thing you remember, zero case not possible. Other two rational numbers take and division do in time, another rational number only getting answer, but zero case not possible. Why? Here see one example checking a value. I consider it as 4 by 9, 4 by 9. B value consider it as 0. I want to divide this two numbers. How to divide? 4 by 9 is divided with 0. Division rule says that second number reciprocal take and multiply. Reciprocal of 0 because how much? 1 by 0 is the reciprocal of 0. That's why 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 0 become 1 by 0. Then numerator into numerator comes to be how much? 4. Denominator into denominator becomes 0. Is it possible? Not. Here number is divided with 0. It is not possible to divide. That's why what we can say, except 0, any other two rational number take and dividing time we get another rational number only. So we can conclude that closure property case, closure property satisfied under addition, subtraction, multiplication, division case also satisfied except 0 case. 0 case leave it, other two rational number take and dividing time we get another rational number only. This property we call it as a closure property. Then next property is a commutativity property. Commutativity property is a second property. Commutativity property. Commutativity property. Here also we want to check here addition case, subtraction case, multiplication case, division cases satisfying or not. Once we one by one we go into checking. First case is addition case. Is it possible or not? Once we want to go to checking that. So here a value I consider it as a 2 by 5 and b value consider it as a 3 by 5. Then commutativity case, addition case, general form is a plus b equal b plus a is the general form. That means a value, two value, rational numbers taking their orders are changing and adding time also both have a same. Here see a value first, a value and b value, a value write to first, b value write to secondly, and adding time getting answer. One left side answer is equal to b value write to first and a value write secondly. That time adding time getting answer both are equal. We want to prove this one. LHS answer and RHS answer are equal. Here a place a 2 by 5 plus b place a 3 by 5. Here LHS we consider. Then adding time same denominator, numerator part adding time 2 plus 3 5 by 5. 5 by 5 cancelling time 1 by 1 is the LHS side. Is it a right side? RHS side become 1 by 1 or not? Once we check it, our RHS side telling b plus C. B value here how much? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus A value how much we consider? 2 by 5. Then here also adding denominators are same. That's why numerator adding time 5 by 5 cancelling how much we got? 1. So LHS and RHS are equal. That's why what we can say commutativity property is satisfied under addition case. Then next we going to checking a subtraction case. Is it possible or not? Subtraction case. Subtraction case, is it possible or not? Two numbers are taking A value, consider it as 3 by 7 and B value, consider it as 6 by 7. Two values are considering and a subtraction I going to do. General form says that A minus B is equal to A value and B. A value take first and subtracted with B value. That answer is equal to B minus A value. Is it say equal or not? We want to check. That's why A place I substitute 3 by 7 minus B place I substitute 6 by 7. LHS part take and a substitution doing. Here see denominators are same. That's why numerator part consider 3 minus 7. 3. One is positive integer, another is negative integer. Opposite sign means what we want to do? First we subtract and put big number side. 6 minus 3 become 3, which is bigger number. 6 is bigger number. That's why our symbol become minus 3 by A. So this is our LHS answer. Check it. RHS answer also minus 3 by 7 or not. We want to check it. So next I going to check RHS side. RHS part of our general formula is B minus A. Here B value is how much? 6 by 7. Subtracted with A value. A value is how much given there? 3 by 7. 6 minus denominators are same. So 6 minus 3 become how much? 3 by 7. See, both are different answer. Why? Here LHS part is minus 3 by 7. RHS part is how much? Plus 3 by 7. Both answers are different. That's why we can say A minus B not equal to B minus A. Meaning commutative property is not satisfied under a subtraction case. Then next we want to go to check about a multiplication case. Multiplication case we want to check a commutative property satisfied under multiplication case or not. A value consider it as a 3 by 7 and a B value consider it as a 4 by 7. Multiplication doing time. Here general form is A into B equal B into A. Is it true or not? Satisfying or not? Checking. A value here consider it as 3 by 7. Substitute into LHS part case. B value is how much? 4 by 7. So multiply 3 4s are how much? 12. 7 into 7 become how much? 49. So LHS part to multiply in time 12 by 14. Is it right in RHS case? We want to check it. RHS side here RHS part is B into A. B value is how much? 4 by 7. Into A value is how much? 3 by 7. Both are multiplied. Numerator into numerator. Cancellation not possible. That's why numerator into numerator. 4 3s are 12. Then 7 7s are how much? 4. The same answer only get it. Left side answer is and right side answer become same only. That's why what we can say commutativity property satisfied under a multiplication. But a subtraction case not satisfied. Remember multiplication case it is satisfying. Then next we go through division case. Is it satisfying or not? Division case. Same way A value consider it as here 3 by 8 and B value consider it as 5 by 8. Two numbers I consider. A divided B is equal to B divided A. Is it right or wrong? LHS answer and RHS answer solving time same answer getting or not? We want to check it. So first what we want to do? LHS side take consider. A value is how much? 3 by 8 divided with B value is how much? 5 by 8. 8. Division case, we know that direct division not possible. So what we want to do? Second number reciprocal take and multiply. So 3 by 8 into symbol also changes. Operation symbol division change it to multiplication. Reciprocal of 5 by 8 comes to be 8 by 5. 8 and 8 same number cancellation 1. Then again cancellation not possible, multiply 3 into 1 3. 1 into 5 become how much? 5. So LHS answer become how much? 3 by 5. We are going to check RHS answer case also. RHS here in this expression RHS part is what B divided A. B value here, B value how much we consider? 5 by 8 we consider, divided with A value. A value is how much? 3 by 8. We want to check it is it right or wrong. So 5 by 8 division rule says that rational number case reciprocal take and multiply. So 3 by 8 reciprocal comes to be 8 by 3. 8 and 8 cancelling 1. Then again cancellation not possible. So numerator 5 into 1 become 5. 1 into 3 become 3. 5 by 3. See, check it. 3 by 5 here 5 by 3. Both answers are different only. That's why what we can say, commutativity property is not satisfying under division case. So commutative property is like this. Commutative property says what? It is satisfied under addition and multiplication case only satisfying, but subtraction and division case commutativity property not satisfying. Next we go through associative property. Associative property case also one by one we want to checking. Here associative property. Associative property. Associative property case first is addition case. Addition case here we consider 3 numbers. How many numbers we going to consider? 3 numbers we want to consider. A value, B value and C value. A value we consider it as 2 by 5 and B value consider it as 3 by 5 and C value consider it as 4 by 5. Then value substitute rule says that A plus addition rule A plus B plus C, that means first A value and B value are adding, that answer is added with C value, that is equal to A plus B plus C means B and C value, RHS side B and C value first you add, that answer is added with A value. Both then adding and calculation doing them both left and right side answer is same or not once we want to check it. That's why we consider LHS side. LHS side A value is how much? 2 by 5 plus B value how much we consider? 3 by 5. Then bracket plus C value how much? 4 by 5. Then see bracket inside 2 plus 3 comes to both how same denominator, that's why numerator 2 plus 3 comes to be how much? 5 by 5 plus C value is how much? 4 by 5. Again both of them have a same denominator, that's why the 5 plus 4 comes to be 9 by 5 is our LHS answer. Then next we go through RHS side. RHS side is satisfying or not? RHS side what they say? B value and C value first you take and add, that answer is added with A value answer. So B value here, B value is how much? 3 by 5 plus C value is how much? 4 by 5. That answer is added, first we add and that answer is added with A value answer. So first we add here same denominator, 3 plus 4 comes to be 7 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Then again both have same denominator, 7 plus 2 comes to be 9 by 5. So check it here, see both answer are same only 9 by 5. LHS answer is 9 by 5. RHS answer also become 9 by 5 is that. That's why LHS and RHS are equal. The associative property is satisfied under addition there. Then next I go through subtraction case. Subtraction case. Then next we go through subtraction case. Subtraction. Here subtraction case, how to do means here also we consider three numbers. General form is a minus b minus c. We can take like this. Is it possible or not? Once we check it, a value and b value first we subtract. That answer is subtracted with c value. Then a b minus c means b value and c value you subtract it. Then that answer is subtracted with a value. Then is it right or wrong? Once we go through here, a value consider it as 3 by 8 and b value consider it as 5 by 8 and c value consider it as 7 by 8. So I substitute a place a value. How much I here considering 3. So 3 by 8 is subtracted with b value is how much? 5 by 8. Close the bracket. Minus c value is how much? 7 by 8. LHS side, LHS part to this one. So they have same denominator, numerator part subtract. One is positive, other is negative. What we want to do? Subtract and put a big number sign. So 5 minus 3 become how much? 2. Here 2 is there. 2 and bigger number is minus 2 by 8. Minus 2 by 8 minus 7 by 8. Then again, see, they have same denominators. That's why, but in numerator part is in which form? They have a same sign, same symbol means what we want to do? Add. First we want to add and put a same symbol. So 7 plus 2 comes to be 9 and same symbol minus sign we want to keep. Minus 9 by 8 is the answer. Checking RHS part also comes to be minus 9 by 8 or not. Once we go through that. So RHS part, in RHS part b value and c value first we subtract. Here b value is how much? 5 by 8. So that value take 5 by 8. Then minus c value is how much? 7 by 8. Bracket to close. Then subtracted with a value. A value is how much? 3 by 8. So we go through subtracting there. We both have same denominator. That's why numerator part is subtracted. 7 minus 5 become how much? 7 minus 5 become a 2, which is bigger number. Minus symbol 7 is the bigger number. Symbol is minus. So minus 2 by 8. Then this part is minus 3 by 8. Then a subtraction case, denominator are same, only numerator part is subtracting time how much? Here both have a same symbol there. That's why we add and put a minus sign. So 2 and 3 adding time 5 and put same symbol minus. So minus 5. See, LHS answer is minus 9 by 8. RHS answer is how much? Minus 5 by 8. Both are different answers. That's why what we can say that here associative property is not satisfied under a subtraction. Not satisfied. They are not satisfied. Different answer only getting there. Next we going through multiplication case. Multiplication case here. Rule says that here also 3 numbers are we going to consider. A into B into C. That means A value and B value first we multiply. That answer is multiply with C value is equal to. Then next B value and C value first we multiply. That answer multiply with A value. Is it same or no? LHS multiplying both left and right side is same answer getting or not? We want to check it. Here A value you can consider it as 4 by 9. B value consider it as 5 by 9. C value consider it as 7 by 9. So LHS side first we consider. Here LHS side considering time A place A value 4 by 9 into B place B value consider 5 by 9 into C value is 7 by 9. Bracket first. Here cancellation not possible. Then multiply 4 into 5 become how much? 20. 20 by 9 into 9 comes to be 81 into 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Again multiplication doing. Here multiplying time 20 into 7 become how much? 140. Numerator part to become 140. Denominator part to become 729 is the denominator part. Here multiplying time we got answer as 140 by 720. Then is it right or not? RHS answer also check it 140 by 720 coming or 729 coming or not. Once we want to check it. RHS side in which way they given RHS part? A value into first B value and C value multiply. B value is 5 by 9. That is multiplied with the C value. C value is how much? 7 by 9. Then these two multiplied after that answer is multiplied with the A value. A value is how much? 4 by 9 there. First here cancel inside bracket cancellation not possible, that's why we multiply. 5 into 7 comes to be how much? 35. Then next 9 into 9 comes to be how much? 81 into next number is 4 by 9. Again we go through multiplying time. How much coming? 35 fours are how much getting? 140 divided by 81 into 9 comes to be how much? 729. See, LHS answer and RHS answer are same only. That's why what we can say associative property is satisfied under a multiplication case. Then one more thing is there, division case also we want to check it. Is it satisfying or not? Division case. So division case. Division case associative property is satisfying or not. Division case is A divided B divided C. That means A value and B value are divided. That answer is divided with the C value. Right side answer A divided B divided C means first B value and C value are divided. That answer is divided with the A value. Here also we can consider A value as 3 by 7 and a B value consider it as 4 by 7 and a C value consider it as 5 by 7. 3 numbers we can consider. Here A place A value substitute 3 by 7. LHS part I considering. Is it both are same or not? We want to check. Not same means we can mark it as a not equal. First we want to check it. So 3 by 7 we take divided with B value is how much? 4 by 7. Close the bracket divided with C value is how much? 5 by 7. Here see 3 by 7 division rule says that dividing time second number reciprocal take and multiplication rule. So we can take a 3 by 7 into reciprocal of 4 by 7 comes to be 7 by 4. Then bracket outside divided 5 by 7 is there. 7 and 7 cancel is same number cancellation 1. Then you multiply 3 into 1 become 3 into 1 become 3 by 1 into 4 become 4 divided with 5 by 7. Again a division case second number receive C value this one 5 by 7 receive 5 by 7 reciprocal take and multiply 3 by 4 into reciprocal of this number become 7 by 5. Then here cancellation not possible, just we want to multiply a numerator into numerator. 3 4 7s are how much? 21. 4 5s are how much? 20. We got answer as 20 by 21 by 20 is the answer. We want to check it right side case also same or not. Once we want to check RHS part also 21 by 20 getting or not. So RHS part, RHS case considering time first we take B value and C. B value is how much? 4 by 7 divided with the C value is how much? 5 by 7. You divided with a a value is how much? 3 by 7 is the a value. Division case, division rule says second number reciprocal take and multiply. So that's why 4 by 7 into 7 by 5 divided with 3 by 7. 7 and 7 cancelling time 1, here also 1. Then remaining part, numerator into 4 into 1 become how much? 4. 1 into 5 become how much? 5. Divided with our a value is how much? 3 by 7 is our a value. So again, division means what we want to do? To take a reciprocal of the second number and multiply. So 4 by 5 into 7 by 3. A reciprocal take and multiply. So 4 into 7 cancellation not possible. So multiply numerator into numerator. 4 sevens are how much? 4 sevens are 28 by 28 by 5 threes are how much? 15. Look here, here how much we got? 21 by 20. Here how much we got? 28 by 15. Both are a different answer. That's why here associative property is not satisfied under division, not satisfying. So we can conclude that associative property is satisfied under addition case and multiplication case, but not satisfied under subtraction case and division case. Then next class we can go through distributive property case. There also addition case, multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction is there. Then additive identity is what? Then multiplicative identity is what? What is the like that things? Next class we can go through that matters. Thank you.